In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the voice accent and tone in the Perplexity mobile app. If you want the app to sound more natural to you, or you simply prefer a different speaking style, this is a quick setting you can adjust in just a moment. The process is simple, and once you know where to look, it becomes very easy to switch between voice options whenever you like. Start by opening the Perplexity mobile app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon. This is usually the place where personal preferences, account options, and app settings are grouped together. Tap on that profile icon to open the settings area. After you're in the settings section, find the option for voice settings, sometimes shown as voice and audio. This is the area that controls how spoken responses sound in the app. Go ahead and tap it to continue. If you've never visited this section before, take a second to look around because this is typically where audio-related preferences are managed. Once you're inside the voice settings menu, scroll through the available voice list. You should see different audio profiles, and these may vary by accent, tone, or overall speaking style. Take your time here and choose the one that feels best for you. Some voices may sound more formal, while others may feel warmer, smoother, or easier to listen to for longer sessions. Picking the right one can make a big difference in how enjoyable the app feels during daily use. When you find a voice you're interested in, tap it to preview the audio style. This preview is helpful because it lets you hear how the voice actually sounds before you settle on it. Listen carefully for clarity, pace, and tone so you can decide whether it matches your preference. Once you've chosen the voice you want, press back to confirm your selection. In many apps, going back after selecting a setting is enough to save it automatically, so there may not be a separate save button. If the app updates the selected voice right away, that means the change has been applied successfully. And that's it. You've now changed the voice accent and tone in the Perplexity mobile app. If you ever want to try a different style later, just return to the same voice settings section and repeat the process.